our electric conveyor toaster. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 14.5 inches, a depth of 16.5 inches, and overall height, we have 16.75 inches tall. Features will include: the top will be a drop to insert your loaf of bread and slices, and on the bottom is a slide where the bread will also be dispensed and drop down. Measurements for the slide will be 10.25 inches, and this will be mounted on the back of the oven. Coming to the back will be a drop bin with their measurements, including 10.25 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Retractable top cover can't be opened or closed, so when you drop in your slices of bread, inside will be the chain conveyor that will move forward your bread slices and drop down from below. Coming to the front will be 2 temperature gauges. Conveyor toaster has 2 features. So when you drop in the loaf of bread or slices into the main conveyor, number 1, it can be dropped down to a slide towards the front. A second feature, you'll be included with this plate. So when we come towards the back, the slide can be removed, and the back are inserts where the plate can be clipped in, which will act as a ramp. So when you dump in slices or your loaf of bread towards the front, on the back here will be a separate compartment where the bread and slices will drop into. Conveyor toaster will sit on 4 legs. Coming to the side and the back of the oven will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this oven and the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.